Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In today's session we will take a detailed look at how to use the Hemingway concise rewriting to refine your writing and communicate your ideas more effectively. If you struggle with long sentences, passive voice or content that feels difficult to read, this tool can help you simplify your message without losing its meaning. Whether you are a content creator, student, researcher, professional, Hemingway helps you improve clarity, readability, and overall flow by highlighting problems, areas, and suggestion concise rewrite. By the end of this video, you will know how to use Hemingway to make your writing bold, clear, and audience friendly. So right now I'm at the website of hemingwayapp.com. I have also provided my affiliate link into the description of this video. You can reach out to this website directly through that link as well. So this is basically the overall layout of this website. When you open this website link, you will get read to this website. Okay, so first of all, on this website I will show you how you can sign up, and then I will show you how you can use this. Okay, so first of all, we are going to sign up. So we will go with AI tools for free. Okay, so they are giving their pro feature as well in free of cost. It's like a trial. Okay, it's like a trial of 10 to 15 days maximum, and then you have to purchase their uh, package. Okay, so let's try it for free. We will continue with Google account so that the things become super easy and fast. So I have select start free with Google account, and now it will take us to our Google account where we will select our Gmail account or a Google account, and then it will fetch all the details automatically. I will show you step by step. So here I have selected my Gmail account. So here we will select continue and give it access to our Gmail account. So finally here we will accept the terms and conditions, and then save email preferences, and after that your account will be successfully created with the premium features as well. So when you write any of your paragraph in this way, okay, it will automatically show you the suggestions and the mistakes and the complex sentences. Okay, all the things will be displayed here. As you can see that it has one of 13 sentences is very hard to read, so they have colored it as red. Okay, so one of the 13 sentences is hard to read, so as you can see they have colored it yellow. As you can see that the first one is hard to read, so let's click on this and it will give us a suggestion for simplify it for me. Then it will simplify it with the help of the AI, and then you can you can replace those original lines with this AI suggested line. So you just have to click on the use suggestion, but if you are not satisfied this line, you can get another suggestion and it will change the lines and it will give you another suggestion, and then you can then use suggestion button to replace the line. As you can see that the lines has been replaced and the marked portion has been removed. So as you can see that now we will go for the hard sentences to read. Now just click on this on the text and simplify it for me, and then use this suggestion. As you can see that now it has clarified the mistakes. Okay, so let's do the beacons one. Just click over it, fix it for me, and use suggestions. So there are some limitations as well, so you must take advantage of the premium package plan so that you can use Hemingway app for resizing, or you can say reconcizing of your text, whatever you write. Like you do it for your emails, you do it for your study purpose, you do it for research purposes, then in this way you can use this application for that makes your writing concise and correct. So that was all about Hemingway app, how you can create an account on this and how you can use it. So I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.